Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Yashika. Hope you all are doing good. So today we gonna learn how to create a custom table in ServiceNow. So to create a custom table, this is our filter navigator. Right here, table. So under system definition, we have tables and columns. We can create table by going here on clicking on the tables. This list will open and we can just click on the new button and then we'll start by creating a table. Apart from it, we have one, uh, you can say sys underscore db underscore object dot list. If we write this, then it will open all the tables. This is our table list. All the tables in our system we have, we can open all the tables directly by sys underscore db underscore object dot list. This is the same as the table list we have opened through the table. Okay, this is a table name, or sys underscore db underscore object is a table name, a backend name you can say. Okay, so we'll create it table by clicking on the new button. We'll create a table. So here it is label. In the label, we define a table name. So as for now, I'm creating a table with name system issues. Okay, and this name will automatically generate u underscore system underscore issues. If we see anywhere u, we can modify it if by default, but it is u underscore system. It means it is created by a system administrator. Okay, we can modify it, we can make it a name whatever we want. So create module, yes, we want to create module. Okay, if we want to extend this table, like if there is a task table and I want that it will extend the task table, like incident, change, problem, it will also extend, then we can do that. But as for now, we are not doing that. We are creating our new custom table only. So add module to menu. So we are adding it to the self-service module. Okay, let's save it. Just right click over the banner and it will save the button. So there are few columns here, okay, that will auto generate whenever you create a custom table. This is created by the system. Okay, if I want to create a new column, you can directly go, you can directly write here, okay, or you can click over here new and do the create a new column. So I guess okay, this is the table name. Type what type I want. So I'm taking the string type. What would be the name? So system name. Okay. S- Column name same as you system name. Maximum length if you want to give. Let me give 100. Okay. Read only mandatory, display anything we want, or any default value if we want to give, we can give it here. So as for now, I don't want anything, so just save it. So okay, show table. If I click on the show table, so yes, we have the system name here, string. Okay, maximum length is 100 and display is false. So if I want to add another column, then I can directly go from here. But I just show you by clicking on the new button that you, if you are a beginner, then you can go from, click on the new and go from here and go ahead. And if you are if you have much more practice, then you can directly write the fill the types here and your column will get created. Okay, so I am system name, I have typed like issue, what is the issue in your system. Okay, and it would also be a string tick, and इसका हम लोग maximum length देंगे like 1000. Okay, just save it. Now let's go to our table. Okay. Hmm. Show form. Here, when you scroll down the table list, your table, not a table list, system issues, then you can directly go to the show form, or I'll show you from here. If you under the self service, if I reload it, under the self service, there must be system issues table. Yeah, system issues is here under the self service. Okay. So you can open it from here also, or like directly from here. Okay. So I directly opened on the from the table form, like show form. Okay. So as for now, okay, let me show you from here also. Whenever I open the system issue, so here is zero list. There is not any record here. Okay. So let me create a record. System name है like anything we give. Samsung issue Wi-Fi is not working. Okay, let me submit it. Okay, and if we reload it, yes, the record is here. Okay, one more thing. If you want to create a default number incident. Okay, if we open the incident, so here it is a default number you are seeing. If we want that thing, that default number will come here, so we can do that. Just configure table, right click over and configure table. Okay, and here is a control. Under the control there is a auto number, so you can create a auto number, and this is the prefix. So like in the incident there is inc, this is known as prefix. So in our table we can keep it sys or whatever we want, and the numbers start with 1000 and number of digits should be 7. Okay. Okay, let's save it. Fine. If I reload it, then you can see, okay, number is not here. So here is a gear. Let it personalize the record. Click on this gear icon and click on this number and this icon. Okay. Now you can see. Yes, for now number is not coming. Let me save it. Um, okay, let me create one more record. System name should be hello anything, and keyboard is not working. Okay, let's save it. See, a number is coming here. For that record, number is not there, so that's why it's not visible. So we have saved it. If I reload this, then you can see, yeah, number is visible now. Okay. So, and one more thing, if you want to add any field here, okay, that should be auto populated. So, how to do that? And one more thing, this is a auto generate number, and if you want to make it read only, then you can also do that. Right click over number and configure dictionary. Just loading, and make it read only, because it's auto generated and we don't want that anyone can modify it because of the uniqueness. Okay, just save it. Show form. um, why doesn't it saved? Again, I'll do that. Configure dictionary, go to configure dictionary. Oh, it's not been saved. Make it read only and then save it. I guess we have not saved earlier the form. We just go to the show table button. Now it would be the read only field. Okay, we just go to the show table and now show form. Now you can see, yeah, it will be the read only. And suppose if you want in the system name that something would be auto populated, so we can also do that. Just configure dictionary. Okay, right click over the system name and configure dictionary. So here is a default value. Suppose you want like your company name XYZ. I am taking XYZ, and after that you type something. Okay, it should be auto populated. So just save it. Okay, it's been saved. Show table, show form, show form. Yeah, see, it's been auto populated XYZ. It's coming whenever you fill the form, XYZ will come, and after that you can fill your model number, system name, anything you want. So this is all about the custom table you want. So this is the way how you can create a custom table and columns. Okay, so hope you like this video. Thank you. Have a great day.